So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure a regular hexagon and a square is given. So this is one regular hexagon and this is one square. You can see that area of the square is given as 16 centimeter square. So this area it is given as 16 centimeter square. Then what is the problem? Then we have to find this area of this blue triangle. So we have to find this area. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, the area of the square is given as 16 centimeters square. So you can find out the side of the square which will come as the 4 centimeter. Simply the square root of the area which is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. So now how you can calculate this blue area? So this blue area you can calculate by this way. You see the triangle ABQ. So this is A, this is B, this is Q. So this is the triangle. So and this is the area of that triangle. And AFQ. So this is AFQ. So area of AFQ triangle is this. So now if you subtract ABF triangle area from these two areas, which is the this area, now you can easily see that you can easily get this blue area. So you sum the triangle ABQ area plus AFQ area and subtract the triangle ABF area, then you can easily get the blue area. So this is the strategy. Now just we have to calculate the three triangles area and we are done. So ABQ triangle is simply, we know the side is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter and this is 90-degree angle. So the area is simply half times 4 times 4, which is 8 centimeter square, right angle triangle area. Next is this AFQ triangle. We know this is 90-degree angle and in regular hexagon, this whole angle we know it is 120-degree. So this remaining angle we know it is 120 minus 90-degree, which is 30-degree. So now we know this thing which is 30-degree, and we know this is the side of the hexagon, and we know this AB is 4 centimeter, and in regular hexagon all sides are equal. So this is also 4 centimeter, and this we know it is also 4 centimeter. So area of the triangle is simply half times this 4 times 4, and the angle between the side is 30 degrees. So sine 30 will come here. So sine 30 value is half. So the final thing will come as 4 centimeter square. So you put all the values and then simplify. So now the ABF triangle area we can also find out. We know this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, and this angle is 120 degree. So the area of the triangle is half times 4, and the angle between the sides is 120. So sine of 120, which we know it is root 3 by 2, and here it will come 16 by 2, and after simplifying it will come as 4 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the triangle ABF area. So now you know this ABQ triangle, this AFQ triangle, you sum both these, which is 8 plus 4, 12, and just uh, subtract this ABF triangle area, which is 4 root 3, then you can get this blue area, which I colored in black. So which is 12 minus 4 root 3 centimeter square, and in this way you can calculate this.